Types of goal today is to know the 3 types of plate movements. Everyone's got these 2?
Yes.
Any questions? You got the thick, light, fluffy one. You got the thin, dense, compact one. The dense, compact one is below the water. Yep. Above the water is the thick one. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of plates here. Alright, so this plate here is what? Yeah, and it is what type of crust? Oceanic, okay? Alright, so if you guys have, or most of you have Google Earth on your laptop, you can actually look this up in your own time or during assignment prep time, and you can see the different plate boundaries. You can see, any guesses what might happen at the plate boundaries? Earthquakes and volcanoes. Okay, so this big one here is called the Ring of Fire. Have you heard of it? Yes. It's where all the volcanoes are apparently. Okay? Any other questions? Any other thoughts? So let's look at them one at a time for a few extra notes. So converging. Here's a nice colourful picture for you. Alright? So you can see subduction happening. The mass is going under, the crust is going under the other crust. Or the plate is going under the other plate. So it happens when 2 plates collide. So converge means come together, like the Beatles song. The denser one sinks under the less dense crust. So the oceanic goes under the continental. These are destructive, they're destroying one of the crusts. Okay, so land is being destroyed and it turns into molten earth. Really, really hot land when it goes under. Does that make sense? Pretty much just for... So you can see the little red dot. Does anyone know what that is called?
Epicenter.
Very good. So the epicenter, can you tell us anything about it?
It's a point where the earthquake happens.
Yep. So it's where the most friction is happening, which causes the earthquake to come through the land and then destroy buildings and stuff like that. All right. Next one, diverging. The plates separate. That's what diverge means. Magma from the asthenosphere rises up and constructs new land. Okay? So you guys already said what happens. It's known as constructive boundaries. It can happen on land. Some examples are Iceland and East Africa. All right? In the plates, fault lines. Really long fault means a really big amount of energy and a high Richter scale. Okay?
We should watch the movie.
It's not technically destructive or constructive, although some land can be destroyed, but yeah, it's not as bad as the diverging, converging.